Hello beauty, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Estelle. Today I'll be showing you how I do my everyday look. Yes, I normally go simple with the eyes and I make my lashes dramatic. And without talking so much, I want you to watch this video and see how I achieve this beautiful look. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the bell beside it so you don't miss any of my videos. Thumbs up this video if you like what you watched. And yeah guys, let's get right into this video. So first we want to go in with our eyebrows. You guys, I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel. Please do check that out. I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow concealer in mahogany. Sorry guys, I have to do the rest of this video in voiceover. My kids were making so much noise. So I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow concealer in the shade mahogany. I'm going to use that to set my lid. And I'm going to use the Magic palette from Juviasplace, and I'm using the shade close to my skin tone. I'll use that to set that concealer and add a little more just to make my eyes pop a little. Now I'll go in with this shade, this kind of white. I'm using that to set my brow bone. I'm doing this step because it's getting so late. My face, my eyes, everything was going dull. So I went in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX just to bring back my face. I'm going in with the Born to Glow foundation in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going to use that beauty blender to blend in that foundation into my skin. Right before my foundation, I used this baby skin primer from Maybelline. I lost that clip, so I want to show you guys that I use primer before this step. Now I left my lashes to dry and I'm going in with that same concealer in the shade mahogany. I'm using that underneath my eyes to conceal my eyes, forehead, chin, every concealable. I'm trying to use the clean part of this beauty blender to blend out my concealer. To set this concealer, I'm going to use Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX setting powder. I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. I won't bake, but I'm going to set it to pop, if that makes sense. Using my favorite powder at the moment, Fit Me by Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder, I'll set the rest of my face as well as buff out that setting powder we applied earlier. I do this step because my lashes are so coily, so it's difficult to apply lashes directly. So right now I'm applying my lashes, and I use this lash from Amazon. Is from the company Lasgos. They are 25 mm. Yes, I said it. Now my lashes are set. I'm going to contour my face with the next 3 steps to sculpt. Basically, I use NYX in this tutorial. For my blush, I'm going to use the Juviasplace blush palette volume 1 to apply blush on my face. I'm going to use that first shade there as my highlighter, and it's just going to give me this natural highlight. This is my first time trying this. I think this tutorial is basically drugstore. Yeah. I didn't contour my nose, so I'm just applying the highlight just to give the tip of my nose a little bit popness. And for my forehead, I'm using the Fenty Mocha Mami to bring back that face. For my waterline, I'm using the Maybelline Kajal liner, black liner. Now this step, I like to do it last if I'm not in a hurry. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Perversion liner, and I'm using that to wing my lashes, wing my eyes. All right, next step, we are going to line the lips and clean that thing out. And I'm going to go in with the MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. And I'm going to use the Strictly Veil lip stick from NYX. You can stop here, but I went ahead and blend in my natural lash with the false lashes. I have to lift that butterfly up, and I'm also applying this on my lower lash line. I use the Kiko Milano mascara. Now I'm trying to make my lips look more natural. I'm using my concealer to do that, and I went back with that lip pencil to bring back the color, and I'm using a black pencil here just to darken everything. You can see the difference. Using this setting spray from NYX, the matte setting spray, I'm going to set everything in, and voila, we are here. How do you see this look? Everything is popping. Yeah, I don't know why you're using your hands to get that lips to glow. For the girls, we are going to apply Fenty, and that's it for this look, guys. Everything is popping, everything is clean and smooth. Don't look at the eyes, look at the face. Everything is okay. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is basically my everyday look. I keep the eyes simple and the lashes dramatic. Tell me, how do you like to rock your everyday look? And just let me know in the comment section. Let's interact there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it and thumbs up this video. And yeah, stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. Bye.